Hi, I'm Kurt from Kurt's Guide Service. Today we're out on the Wisconsin River. We're going to be chasing some muskie. We got a few hours here before dark, so we're going to do the best we can to put a few fish in the net and maybe show you guys a few tricks to the Wisconsin River and how to catch a few fish.
I just had a nice follow on a muskie. And it's kind of weedy, so I tried to figure it, but my blades got stuck, so hopefully we'll get him to bite here yet.
Sweet!
Got him.
He's got a dandy. Hit a bucktail, one of my personal favorites, a homemade bait. Nice fish. Just caught this dandy fish. Wisconsin River has a lot to offer. Here we go. You can smell them. Musky smell. Beautiful looking fish. I'm gonna put her back in for another day. There she goes. That's what the Wisconsin River is all about. If you want a great day of muskie fishing, we've only been out for about an hour or so. We saw another nice fish right around the same size, and then we were just able to land that nice one. And we got a couple hours yet to fish before dark, so it's looking to be a real promising night. And if you like different scenery and a lot of muskies and a lot of different spots to hit, this will be a trip for you for sure. So we'll head back out now and try to get another one a little bit bigger.
Fish on. This is a dandy. The joys of trying to film. Fish don't always go where you want them to. Alright, it's coming in.
How nice is it?
Oh, nice fish.
Oh,
yes!
Nice job, fish. Nice. What do you think? Nice.
Woo! First muskie of the year for me. Well, I shouldn't say that. Second muskie of the year. I was out with Kurt earlier and put a nice mid-40 fish into the boat. But that was just fishing for smallmouth, so we were out tonight doing the real deal and put one in the boat. Beauty.
Check out that one.
Out with Kurt's Guide Service. We just had afternoon. Kurt was free. He's usually pretty booked up, but I was able to get out with him. Brought the video camera along and he put me on a dandy muskie.
Beautiful. This one here hit on a bucktail, actually hit on a slippery Sam, and just crushed it. Jason did a great job fighting it in. Just nice we were able to get it on film, and we'll have to release it for another day. A 44-inch fish, so this is fairly common out here. A lot of nice big fish in the river. So this is the second one tonight, and hopefully we'll get a couple more.
All right, let's get this thing back in the water.